Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Chic Canyon Lake Home near boat ramp and beach. It's a non-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Chic Canyon Lake Home near boat ramp and beach. In Canyon Lake has accommodations with free Wi-Fi, 6.6 miles from Canyon Lake, 16 miles from Comal River and 18 miles from Schlitterbahn Waterpark Resort. The vacation home is 19 miles from Comal Park. The vacation home comes with 3 bedrooms, a flat-screen TV and a fully equipped kitchen that provides guests with a dishwasher, a microwave, a washing machine, a fridge and an oven. Towels and bed linen are available in the vacation home. The nearest airport is San Antonio International Airport, 32 miles from Chic Canyon Lake Home near boat ramp and beach. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.